Hello friends, welcome to my channel Hobbiesbinder with another new episode. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please do like and share. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you a very beautiful DIY antique bottle art. So for this we need a sample design, permanent marker, a glass bottle and a carbon sheet. So first I'll trace the design with the help of the carbon paper on the glass bottle. And then to make the lines more darker and visible, I am going to use the permanent marker to draw the lines again. Next I am going to fill my cone with the clay paste, and if you are interested to know how I made this clay paste, just comment me below. Make a small cut and check the flow and start filling the design. After filling the complete design, I am going to let it dry for an hour, and then as you can see I have drawn a small line in middle just to give a bulging effect. Now I am going to repeat the same thing in the other designs as well. As you can see, both the sides have completely dried up and has become hard. Now the next step is I have taken some glue mixed with water in 1:1 ratio and made the tissue paper, cut the tissue paper into small pieces. Now I am going to apply this tissue paper on my design. As you can see that I have covered the whole bottle with tissue paper and let it dry for 2 hours. Now it's completely dry. I'll move on to my next step. Next step is I have taken some acrylic black color. With the help of the dry brush, I am going to apply this black acrylic paint only on my design. This is how it's going to look like after completion. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please do like and share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel Hobbiesbinder. Thank you for watching my video, and see you on my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay connected.